Absolute value means only how far a number is from 0. Let's have an example. What is the absolute value of -4 and the absolute value of +4? To find the absolute value of -4, graph -4 on a number line. Then, count the distance between -4 and 0. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The distance between -4 and 0 is 4 units. Therefore, the absolute value of -4 is +4. To determine the absolute value of +4, graph 4 on a number line. Then, count the distance between 4 and 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. The distance between 4 and 0 is 4 units. Therefore, the absolute value of 4 is also 4. The absolute value of a number is the distance between the number and 0 on a number line. The absolute value of a number A is written as the absolute value of A. Let's consider the following examples. Find the absolute value of 3. Graph first 3 on the number line. The distance between 3 and 0 is 3. So, the absolute value of 3 is 3. What about this? Find the absolute value of -2½ First, graph -2½ on a number line. And the distance between -2½ and 0 is 2½ So, the absolute value of -2½ is equal to 2½ Remember, no negatives. So, in practice, absolute value means to remove any negative sign in front of a number and to think of all numbers as positive or 0. Let's have more examples. The absolute value of -9 is equal to 9. And the absolute value of -3 is equal to 3. And the absolute value of 0 is equal to 0. And the absolute value of -156 is equal to 156. What about this? Compare 2 and the absolute value of -5. First, draw your number line and graph 2 on a number line. Then, graph the absolute value of -5, which is equal to 5, on a number line. Since 2 is to the left of the absolute value of -5, so 2 is less than the absolute value of -5. How can we apply the concept of absolute value in real life? Let's have an example. The table shows the elevations of several animals. Letter A. Which animal is the deepest? Letter B. Is the shark or the sea lion closer to the sea level? C. Is the seagull or the shrimp closer to sea level? Let's graph its elevation. Shark is -4. Sea lion is 5. Seagull is 56. Shrimp is -65. And turtle is -22. Let's answer what are being asked in the problem. Letter A. Which animal is the deepest? The lowest elevation represents the animal that is the deepest. The integer that is the lowest on the number line is -65. So, the shrimp is the deepest. Letter B. Is the shark or the sea lion closer to sea level? Because sea level is at 0 feet, use absolute values. The sea lion and the shark. The absolute value of 5 is 5. The absolute value of -4 is 4. Because 4 is less than 5, the shark is closer to sea level than the sea lion. Letter C. Is the seagull or the shrimp closer to sea level? Explain your reason. Because sea level is at 0 feet, use absolute values. The seagull and the shrimp. The absolute value of 56 is 56. The absolute value of -65 is 65. Because 56 is less than 65, the seagull is closer to sea level than the shrimp.